Updating your payment information on Capital One is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Information. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Payment Information section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. In the Payment Information section, find the option to update your payment method. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new payment details. Input your new payment information such as credit card numbers or bank account details. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to save your changes and confirm that your payment information has been updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information on Capital One. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.